Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa, and today I'm super excited to share with you a new product that I just picked up at Ulta today. So October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so products came in, sorry. So October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and so they have cute little pink bags now at Ulta for the month. So anyways, just thought I'd share that with you. So the products that I wanted to talk about today are the e.l.f. and Nabela Noor collab. You guys know who Nabela is. She is so adorable. She's so beautiful. She is someone I saw on Instagram like a couple years back, and so I started watching like her YouTube channel, and she is just someone that is just all about like loving yourself and not, you know, and trying to be a kinder person and not really caring what other people think of you. And I mean, those are all things that we should, I mean, first of all, we should be kind to everyone, and second of all, I mean, we shouldn't listen to any of that hate and negativity. But anyways, Nabela is so beautiful, and she is all about that. So when I saw this on, actually I went on to Ulta's website and I saw that they were like in stores today. So I don't know when it was released, but it does say new, and I just saw Nabela posted something on her Instagram today. So why is my hair so flat? So I just saw Nabela posted something on her Instagram today that they were in store. So I had to go pick up my kids from my mother-in-law. So I ran into Ulta really quick to go and pick them up. And there's actually a few other, there was a brush kit as well, a brush set, but I don't need any more brushes. And I really was just like, let me just grab these two things and run out. But I kind of wanted, there was a set that had like a clutch, the brushes, and both of these products, and I don't know why I didn't get it. I think it was $35, and I don't know, really. Should I go back? Now I'm regretting it. But anyways, and the brushes are really pretty. They're like pink and like a deep red pink. They're so pretty. I'll show you. They're just, okay, right there. It's so pretty. So there's a set by themselves. It's like a crease brush, a flat brush, and then a powder brush, maybe a highlighting brush, but it's a little like fluffier. And look at how cute she is right there. So anyways, I don't know why I didn't pick that up. Maybe I should have. Anyways, okay. So before we try on this stuff, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Please. And let's get started. So I think I'm gonna let's do the highlighter. So this is a gleaming loose highlighter. So this is Niharika Glow. That's the color, and I saw swatches and it looks so pretty. So it says, you know, I can't finish a look. This is just something from her in the back. It says, you know, I can't finish the look without a gleaming pop of highlight. This loose powder highlight delivers the ultimate radiant glow that intensifies the more you buff and layer. The warm toned pearlescent gold shade is designed to flatter all skin tones so you can glow with confidence. Okay, so cute little message. And this packaging is so adorable. I love all the details on the side. It's like almost like, you know, like the henna tattooing. It's so pretty. Okay. So I'm not really into like a loose highlighter, but we'll see. And that is the packaging. It says e.l.f. XO Nabela Noor. It is so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so let's try that. Oh, and it's like a twisty inside. There's a peel off. Okay, I'm not gonna like peel it off completely because then I will be in trouble. It is like a champagne. It's just so pretty. Okay, so I have some here on my brush. And I'm gonna take it. I don't have any highlight on right now. Oh, sorry for all. Ooh, ooh. Oh wow, beautiful. I was saying sorry for all the noise that's in the background. My husband's like watching TV and it has to be so loud. And I think he's watching American Pickers. Oh my god. How that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. I think this is gonna be like my new favorite. Let's do the other side. It's like gold, but not too deep. I think this is good for a lot of skin tones. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I'm so happy I got it. I can't wait for Caprice to try it. The only thing is I'm afraid to, maybe I just pour it in the cap. There we go. I'm afraid to like peel off that sticker completely because then I feel like it's gonna be highlight everywhere, but I just put some in the cap. Oh my god. I don't even know if I'm blending it in all the way because I can't see it. I can't. Oh. Oh my god. Uh-oh, what did I do? Just cut that out. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love that. I'm gonna try to put some in my inner corner. Oh, this is so pretty. My eyes are so red. I think I had too many drinks last night. Okay, so that is gorgeous. Okay, so that is amazing. I mean, she did such a good job. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, let's close it out. Okay, this is my new favorite. My new favorite. Oh, I think some of you have heard it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is like my new favorite highlighter. Okay, so next, let's do this lip. Okay, so now the lip is a lip liner and I think a liquid lip. Yes, okay, so it says this is My Kind of Cocktail. The lip liner and liquid lipstick duo gives you the perfect pinky nude pout. The liner is deeper contouring shade designed to create a natural shadow, and the liquid lipstick is a long wearing yet comfortable formula designed to be your daily go-to shade. It was important to me to design a lip shade that flattered virtually every skin tone, and I hope you love them as much as I do. Okay, so use a lip liner, the outer edge, and then to define and plump. Next, use a thin layer of the liquid lip all over the lips. Add more lip liner for a more brown tone, more liquid lip for a pinky hue. Okay, so like that is like my favorite, like kind of shade, like that pinky brown. Okay, so oh, and how pretty. It has that same detail on the packaging. So pretty. Okay, and the lip liner, same thing. And it's a wooden lip liner, which I know a lot of people don't like because they're a little harsh, but I really like it. I just have aquaphor. let's see, swatch. That is the color. It's so pretty. And then oh my god, what is he watching? Did you know I'm in here doing a video? Jessa? I don't know what he's watching. Probably another YouTube channel. You should be watching mine. What do you guys like to watch? I need some new shows. I'm like I just always watch that, you know, reality, Housewives, 90 Day Fiance, 90 Day the Other Way. Why is my voice like that? What else? Unexpected. That's another one. Teen Mom. I mean, I watch that when I can, because, you know, having all these kids. It really puts a damper on my TV watching. Okay. So that lip liner is pretty. It is more brown. Like, okay, so my favorite universal like lip liner is Whirl from MAC, and excuse my frizzy hair. That is like my lip liner I think that I use with everything, because it just like goes with everything, and then it's kind of like my lip color. This is so creamy though. Oh, I really like it. Okay, and it's not too brown. It is kind of like a more nude color. Okay, now I don't wear liquid lips because my lips are so big and I don't know, they get dry so fast. Okay. Okay, so this is a peachier nude. Oh, but it's pretty. Oh my god, my friend was over yesterday and showed me something. I was showing her this new product that I've been using, and then she showed me on YouTube some like hyaluronic pens that you like can inject yourself with like hyaluronic acid. I think that's what it is, or like any kind of filler, but you do it yourself because like the injection thing doesn't, like, it's like without a needle. I don't know, but I'm super intrigued now. Like, Jamie, why did you show me that? Because now I think I'm gonna go buy it. So I started like searching and I found, I don't know, and you can go like get certified, and I don't know, just seems super interesting. And I think I'm gonna start injecting myself all over my face. So you can do it like under your eyes, you can do it like anywhere. Okay, oh my god, that highlight is so pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that dry a little. It feels kind of sticky, but I think this is like my new favorite nude color. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited, and oh my god, she like totally deserves everything good. And I kind of like that look of like lining your lip a darker color, and then like, I mean, I used to do it like in the 90s. It's so pretty. Okay, so what do you think? That color is gorgeous. Oh, sorry, my eyes are so red. I look horrible. I hope it's not the new mascara I'm using. I didn't use mascara yesterday. I don't know. But anyways, so, oh my god, I love this. It makes your teeth look white. Does it? My teeth look white in the camera and then not white in the mirror. I don't know. Anyways, okay, so this is my new favorite. I'm so excited. Both these products are amazing, and I think, where's the other one? Both of them are amazing. I think I'm gonna go and get the brushes too, maybe just that whole set. I just love it. I think these are beautiful. I think I'm gonna go, and also just to support her because I love her so much. Okay, so anyways, that was it. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, and let me know what you want to see next time what you want me to try. If there's anything out there that you don't want to buy until I try, then let me know. Okay, so see you soon. Bye bye.